All right.
Recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't see.
What?
Let's go. Remember, we got bumpy bumps.
Recording. Let's go. Woohoo! It's still recording. Is mine recording?
Yeah.
All right.
Whee! Hey!
Okay.
It's a telemarketer.
Still don't like the way it looks, but all right.
How do you know you haven't seen yourself yet?
All right, where are we going?
It was this way, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That's good.
Good.
Maybe that's what we need to do. We need to swap out the battery every run.
Yeah.
That's annoying, but whatever.
I just warm it up with my hand. Yeah. Is mine still recording?
Yeah.
Nice.
How's your day on the big mountain?
You call this a big mountain?
I do, yes.
You obviously have not been to the Himalayas.
Goodbye. Whee! Himalayas.
I can't think of anything higher.
Fair enough. Who's up first? You are. Go. Whee!
I told that. I'm on camera!
I could resist.
It's still recording.
That's good.
Let's go.
Yay!
Yeah, the only way I'm going to go recording is if you give me time to take out my phone and do it.
Okay. Or you can put this on at some point in time. But what, I'm on his too. That's okay.
Oh, that's true, too.
That was the whole point. We got both.
Oh, all right.
Very nice. We're still recording, right? Not recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good.
All right. Be first, be first.
He's out of sight.
Huh?
He's out of sight.
I should turn the other way so that I can actually follow your face down the mountain.
I try to keep you in frame. Get like around the shot like that. See? Woo!
Double around shot.
That's a little sloppy. What?
I didn't look ahead to the ice.
Ah.
And it got me a little bit off.
That was awkward. Sorry about that.
That's okay, you're the one that's on film. Or so to speak.
Wait a minute, so to speak, am I not recording anymore?
No, you're
No.
still recording.
Okay.
You just weren't looking at me when I felt like
Yes, I was.
Really?
Now,
Well,
my
I was. I don't know if the
point was
camera.
that it's not on film.
I mean, I don't
Oh.
mind if it's on film. It's funny.
I gotcha.
Record me as I go down?
What do you say?
Of course you couldn't dig to it.
Uh,
You're not good there.
yeah, no, his form is not always perfect, but he's getting some interesting stuff happening.
I
What's
like
up?
to stop.
What's happening? You called us down. I don't know.
Oh. You okay, Mr. Fedors?
You realize I have not fallen like that in about 3 years.
I missed it. I'm so sorry.
And now I got 2 cameras filming it. And I don't have my hand.
You okay?
Yeah, fine. My ego more than anything. I haven't wiped out in 3 years, and these buffoons are actually recording me doing it.
Erase that tape.
It is.
To be fair, I didn't get the actual fall. I don't
Yeah,
know.
I didn't either, actually.
We just looked over and you were in the snow, so.
He was just resting them.
Yeah!
That's right. That didn't happen. That you saw nothing.
No, that's actually, it may have been
The
2 years.
JJ
It may have been
guys.
2 years.
There we
not
go.
3. I'm so sad.
You'll be
long as you're
sad.
okay,
It's
we're
okay.
And I'm not even sure what happened.
Well, I didn't see it, so I can't say.
Could you like keep following as I go down?
Yeah.
I want to get a shot of my form so that I can look at it later.
I try to change it up. Sometimes I go ahead, sometimes I hang back, sometimes I follow. What?
That was fun. That was fun. I was certain that I was gonna fall. Oh my god.
Yeah, so was I.
Cannot believe I recovered from that. Is mine still recording?
Yep.
Oh dude.
Is mine still recording?
Yeah. Fantastic. That was awesome. We got the whole thing on recording.
Yeah.
Except for your phone.